Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Dodge Durango key fob. First, gather all of your key fobs, both existing and new, that you wish to program. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions during the process. Then, sit comfortably inside your Dodge Durango, ensuring all doors are securely closed. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and successful programming experience, typically taking less than 5 minutes to complete. To begin, insert a currently working key into the ignition and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Next, press and hold the unlock button on that working key fob for about 4 seconds. While still holding unlock, press the panic button until you hear a single chime. This chime confirms that your Dodge Durango has successfully entered the key fob programming mode, ready for new fobs. Now, with the vehicle in programming mode, take your new key fob. Within 30 seconds of the initial chime, press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously on the new fob. Release both buttons once you hear a single chime. Then, within 4 seconds of that chime, press and release either the lock or unlock button on the new fob. Another chime will confirm successful programming. Repeat for any additional fobs. To exit the programming mode and finalize the process, simply turn the ignition key to the OFF position and remove it from the ignition. This action saves all the newly programmed key fobs to your Dodge Durango system. Once out of programming mode, take a moment to test each of your key fobs, both old and new, to ensure they all function correctly. If any key fob does not work as expected, simply repeat the entire programming sequence from the beginning for that specific fob.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.